Integrity Automotive has been in business now for 20 years. We opened in 1998. We're excited to be celebrating our 20th anniversary this year with lots of special events and great exciting things that we're doing. We provide service on all makes and models of vehicles, everything from basic maintenance to complex computer diagnostics. We do everything except bodywork, windshields, and upholstery work. If you have a service that needs to be done and you don't know where to take it, call us, because if we're not the shop to take care of it, we know the best place to send you, taking the guesswork out of your search. At Integrity Automotive, we've spent the last 20 years building relationships with our customers, and it shows. We have customers that have been coming to us since the day we opened. I want my customers to leave here saying, wow, that was quite an experience.